What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I have something super valuable for you. I'm going to be showing you how to skip trace for 100% free in this video. I'm going to be showing you for free how to find the homeowner's contact information for a property so that way you can reach out to them and make them an offer and try to get a wholesale deal under contract. Guys, skip tracing can be very expensive. A lot of providers out there charge 10 cents per skip. So it can add up and cost hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars to get contact information for properties that you want to reach out to in order to try to get a wholesale deal. So this method I have here to skip trace for free is going to save you so much money. So this is going to be super valuable for you. That being said, make sure you stick around and watch the whole video so that way you can get all the value that I'm going to give out. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe. But with that being said, let's get right into it. So first off, I want to give you a free gift for joining this video. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/free, and you're going to be able to download my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for completely free. So go download your free resources at jacobblank.com/free. There will be a link down below for that. But let's get right into how to skip trace for free. So the website that we're going to be leveraging in order to skip trace for 100% free is called cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Cyberbackgroundchecks.com lets you do a reverse address lookup in order to skip trace the address and get the homeowner's contact information. So, for example, if we are doing virtual driving for dollars and we find a distressed property and we get the address and we want to find their information in order to reach out to them from our driving for dollars list, we can go ahead and put that address right into here, put the city and the state, and then click search, and just like that, it's going to go ahead and give us their contact information for us to reach out to the homeowner. And guys, it's as simple as that. That's how to skip trace. So another example is if we want to search Fulton County, Georgia, vacant properties, and we want to go ahead and reach out to this property, we can go ahead and get the address for this property. All right. And we can go ahead and plug that in to the skip tracer. Just like we did before, reverse address lookup, plug the address in. Put the city and state right here. And just like that. So instead of paying 10 cents to PropStream to skip trace it, I was able to just do a reverse address lookup and get the information for the seller right here. It's as simple as that. That is how to skip trace for free using cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Now I know there is one thing about this, one downside to this. You can only do it one skip at a time individually. So you're not able to skip trace a bulk list of like hundreds of properties or thousands of properties. So that definitely is a struggle because you have to do it one by one, so that can take a lot of time and that can slow down your outreach, right? Well, I have another method to get skip tracing for free. Now the data isn't free, but the skip tracing is free because the data comes with phone numbers. It comes already skip traced. Let me show you this. Now this is one of my favorite data providers, and this is a data company that I have used from the very beginning when I started wholesaling, and I still use it to this day. It's Cole Realty Resource. They give you unlimited data in your market with phone numbers. Yeah, that's right. They give you unlimited data with phone numbers. A lot of the platforms out there like Batch Leads or PropStream, they give you like 10,000 records of data a month. Cole Realty gives you unlimited records. You can pull hundreds of thousands of motivated seller properties in your market, all for a one-time payment of $795. If you use the link down below in the description, you're going to be able to get $200 off. It's normally $995. You'll be able to get it for $795. Once you sign up for Cole Realty, you're going to be able to pull unlimited data in your market for the whole year, and all of that data, every single record, will come skip trace already for free. Free skip tracing. The data is going to come with the contact information for the homeowner, so that way you can reach out right away. And guys, if you can't afford the $795, they also offer a monthly plan for $129 a month, where you're able to get 20,000 records a month, and the skip tracing is free. That's right, it comes with the phone numbers. It comes with the contact information. No longer pay for skip tracing. Just use Cole Realty Resource and use cyberbackgroundchecks.com for your individual skip traces, and now you have completed skip tracing for 100% free. You're going to be able to save thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars in your wholesaling career by skip tracing for free. Guys, it is a no-brainer to use cyberbackgroundchecks.com, and it's a no-brainer to sign up for Cole Realty Resource Unlimited Data. There's a link down below in the description for Cole Realty Resource. It's just partner.coleinformation.com/unlimited. So go to this link and sign up for that, and then also use cyber background checks for your skip tracing. Guys, I've been skip tracing, and I didn't know about this stuff right when I first started. I spent about $10,000 on data when I could have just paid Cole Realty $795 and not paid anything for skip tracing. I would have saved that $10,000. Guys, I could have used cyber background checks when I was driving for dollars, driving around looking for distressed properties. Instead of paying for each record of each property I found and skip tracing them when driving for dollars to call them, I could have just plugged the address in while I was driving around, got their contact information, called them up right then and there, and made them an offer for their property. Guys, this is super valuable. If you found this valuable, make sure to comment down below that this video was valuable, and make sure to hit the like button. But I want to give you guys one more free gift as a thank you for joining this video and sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going to give you my investor-friendly title company list for completely free. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/title, and you're going to be able to input your information and download my nationwide investor-friendly title company list. There is a title company on this list in pretty much every state across the country that is investor-friendly and is willing to work with wholesalers and close assignment transactions. This is a super valuable resource, so make sure to go download that, and I hope that helps you on your real estate journey. But overall, I know this video is a game changer. I know it's valuable because skip tracing is so expensive. So finding a way to do it for free will really help you guys in your wholesaling career. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel and reach more people. So I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.